Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video, I will be discuss the topic, nature, principles and need of guidance and counseling. Let us first try to understand what is guidance and counseling. 1. Guidance. Guidance is a systematic process that involves helping individuals, typically in educational or career settings, to make informed decisions, solve problems, and develop the necessary skills for personal, academic, and career success. It aims to provide support and direction by offering information, assistance, and resources to individuals as they navigate various aspects of their lives. 2. Counseling. Counseling is a professional relationship between a trained counselor and an individual seeking assistance. It involves a collaborative and therapeutic process that addresses personal, emotional, or developmental challenges. Counseling aims to help individuals understand themselves better, cope with difficulties, and make positive changes in their lives. Nature of guidance and counseling. 1. Personalized and client-centered. Guidance and counseling are individualized processes that focus on the unique needs, concerns, and goals of each person. Example: a student seeking career guidance receives personalized advice based on their interests, strengths, and aspirations. The counselor tailors recommendations to align with the student's individual profile. 2. Supportive and developmental. Both guidance and counseling aim to provide support for personal, academic, and career development. They focus on enhancing an individual's strengths and facilitating growth. Example: a person experiencing academic challenges seeks guidance on study strategies, while simultaneously receiving counseling to address underlying stressors affecting their performance. 3. Holistic approach. The processes consider various aspects of an individual's life, including academic, emotional, social, and career dimensions, recognizing the interconnectedness of these domains. Example: a college student undergoing counseling for stress management may also receive guidance on creating a balanced academic and personal life. 4. Preventive and remedial. Guidance and counseling offer proactive strategies to prevent issues before they escalate and provide remedial support for those already facing challenges. Example: a school counselor conducts proactive workshops on study skills to prevent academic difficulties. Simultaneously, the counselor provides counseling for students dealing with academic stress. 5. Client empowerment. The processes aim to empower individuals by helping them recognize their strengths, make informed decisions, and take responsibility for their choices. Example: a person undergoing career counseling explores their skills and interests, empowering them to make career decisions aligned with their values and aspirations. 6. Goal orientation. Both guidance and counseling involve setting clear, achievable goals in collaboration with the individual, directing the process toward specific objectives. Example: a student seeking academic guidance collaborates with a counselor to set goals for improving study habits, leading to better academic performance. 7. Ethical practice. Guidance and counseling adhere to ethical guidelines and principles, ensuring integrity, confidentiality, and respect for individuals. Example: a counselor maintains confidentiality when a client shares personal information during a counseling session, fostering trust and creating a safe space. 8. Dynamic and interactive. The processes are dynamic, involving ongoing interactions between the counselor and the individual, adapting to changing needs and circumstances. Example: a person receiving counseling for anxiety may engage in ongoing discussions with the counselor to explore coping mechanisms and monitor progress. 9. Informed decision making. Guidance and counseling provide information, options, and perspectives to facilitate informed decision making. Example: a high school student receives guidance on college choices, exploring various options and understanding the potential outcomes before making a decision. 10. Cultural sensitivity. Both processes recognize and respect cultural diversity, considering individual differences in beliefs, values, and backgrounds. Example: a counselor, aware of cultural differences, adapts guidance strategies to align with the cultural context when working with a diverse group of clients. Now let me discuss principles of guidance and counseling. 1. Confidentiality. Information shared by clients during guidance and counseling sessions is kept confidential, ensuring privacy and trust. Explanation. Clients need assurance that their personal information will not be disclosed without their consent, fostering openness in the counseling relationship. 2. Empathy and understanding. Counselors demonstrate empathy, understanding, and a non-judgmental attitude towards clients. Explanation. Creating a safe and supportive environment encourages clients to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of criticism. 3. Respect for autonomy. Clients are recognized as autonomous individuals capable of making their own decisions. Explanation. Counselors respect clients' rights to choose their goals and paths, promoting a collaborative approach in decision-making. 4. Non-discrimination and cultural sensitivity. Counselors acknowledge and respect cultural, ethnic, and individual differences. Explanation. Cultural sensitivity ensures that guidance and counseling approaches are inclusive and tailored to the unique background of each client. 5. Goal orientation. Establishing clear and achievable goals in collaboration with the client. Explanation. Goal setting provides a framework for the counseling process, helping clients work towards specific objectives related to personal, academic, or career development. 6. Empowerment. Encouraging individuals to recognize their strengths and capacities, promoting self-efficacy and responsibility. Explanation. Empowered individuals are more likely to take an active role in decision-making and problem-solving. 7. Informed consent. Clients are informed about the nature, purpose, and potential risks and benefits of the counseling process. Explanation. Informed consent ensures that clients are actively involved in the decision to engage in counseling, fostering transparency in the therapeutic relationship. 8. Ethical practice. Adhering to ethical guidelines and professional standards. Explanation. Upholding ethical principles ensures the integrity of the counseling process, protecting the well-being of clients and maintaining trust in the profession. 9. Collaborative relationship. Building a collaborative and trusting relationship between the counselor and the client. Explanation. A collaborative approach encourages clients to actively engage in the counseling process, enhancing the effectiveness of interventions. 10. Holistic approach. Considering various dimensions of an individual's life, including personal, academic, career, and social aspects. Explanation. A holistic approach recognizes the interconnectedness of these dimensions, providing a comprehensive understanding of the client's experiences and challenges. Thank you everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.